Welcome to Learn How to Speak Elegantly, your guide to mastering the art of refined and sophisticated communication. In today's video, we'll focus on a very practical and elegant skill: how to speak gracefully in a restaurant. Whether it's ordering food, discussing preferences with your dining partner, or making specific requests to your server, we'll guide you on how to communicate with charm and confidence. Before we begin, don't forget to subscribe to the channel to stay updated with more tips to refine your speaking skills. Simply click the subscribe button below. It's completely free and helps support the channel. Let's start with the basics. From greeting the host to making your dining experience seamless, elegant communication is key. When you arrive, greet the host with a warm smile and polite tone. Here are two examples. "Good evening, we have a reservation under your name." Or, "Good evening, do you have a table available for two?" Make sure your tone is pleasant and your words are clear. This leaves a great first impression. Once you're seated, it's time to interact with your waiter. Here's how to ask for assistance politely. "Good evening, thank you for assisting us today." Or, "May I please have a glass of water?" If you're ready to order, try, "I'd like to try the grilled salmon with a side of roasted vegetables, please." Or could you recommend a dish that pairs well with white wine? Dining out is also about the conversation you share with your partner. When deciding what to order, you can say, "What are you thinking of ordering? Do you prefer something light or hearty?" Or, "I'm torn between the pasta and the risotto. What do you think?" When sharing your preferences, express yourself thoughtfully. "I'm in the mood for something flavorful but not too heavy." Or, "I love dishes with bold, savory flavors. How about you?" Sometimes you may need to request something during your meal. Here's how to do it gracefully. "Excuse me, could we have a few more napkins, please? And pardon me, would it be possible to bring an extra fork? Thank you so much." To order a drink, keep your tone refined. Here are some examples. "I'd love to try the house red wine. What would you recommend?" And, "May I have a sparkling water with a slice of lemon, please?" If you want to customize, say, "Would it be possible to make the cocktail less sweet? Thank you." Customization is common, but should always be done politely. Here are a few phrases. "Could I request the salad dressing on the side, please? And I wonder if it's possible to prepare this without garlic. Thank you." Dining out is more than just enjoying a meal. It's an opportunity to communicate with elegance and confidence. Practice these phrases to elevate your dining experience and leave a lasting impression. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and share it with someone who'd love to refine their communication skills. And don't forget to subscribe to Learn How to Speak Elegantly. By subscribing, you'll never miss a chance to enhance your speaking abilities and add a touch of sophistication to your everyday interactions. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.